I found a genius shortcut to increase your watch time dramatically, and it takes up around 20 to 30 seconds. It's actually got nothing to do with your thumbnail, your title, or even how you hook and retain your viewers throughout your video. It's a game-changing strategy that's much simpler, yet more powerful. One that'll fast-track your path to monetization and keep those views pouring in. The magic ingredient? It's all in how you end your videos. The goal is to transform that final moment from goodbye to see you in the next video. You want viewers so captivated, so entertained, that clicking away feels like missing out on something incredible. So how do you achieve this? By crafting the ultimate call to action, or CTA. It might seem straightforward, but those last 20 seconds are make or break. Every word you choose can mean the difference between a viewer leaving or binge watching your content. That's why I'm sharing a 3-step framework to help you optimize those final moments. The best part, it's a plug and play solution. You can literally copy and paste this strategy into your videos, keeping viewers glued to your channel, boosting your views, your watch time, and accelerating your YouTube success. Let's jump straight into the first step of this framework, which I like to call the bridge. Picture this: you've created an amazing video, poured your heart into the content, and polished every detail. What happens next is the biggest mistake many creators stumble into. As you approach the end, fatigue sets in. Endings are rushed, awkward, or dragged on unnecessarily. And guess what happens at this point? Viewers drop off and you miss a massive opportunity. But what if you could turn those final moments into a powerful hook for your next video? That's exactly what the bridge does. Here's how it works in practice. Imagine you've just wrapped up a video on 5 secrets to explode your YouTube growth. And instead of the typical, like, in this video, we talked about this and we talked about that, you should build a bridge to your next video. Like this. Now that you've mastered these 5 game-changing secrets, there's one more that could catapult your channel to the next level. See what we did there? We're not just ending the next video, we are opening the door to the next one. We've acknowledged the value that your viewers have just received, and now we are tempting them with even more value to expect in the next video. It's a seamless transition that makes clicking on your next video feel like the only logical choice to a viewer hungry for success. Now that you've mastered the bridge, let's move on to the next crucial step of the framework. Here's the truth. Most videos see a significant drop in viewership towards the end. Viewers feel like they've gotten what they came for, and they start to tune out. But here's where top creators separate themselves from the rest of the pack. They know how to keep the viewer glued to the screen right until the last second. How? By igniting curiosity when viewers least expect it. No one expects more value at the very end, right? It's like planting a seed of intrigue that grows into an irresistible urge for a viewer to watch your next video. Let's see it in action. Remember our bridge from earlier? Yeah, let's expand on that a little. Now that you've learned these 5 secrets, there's one more that could be a game changer for your channel. Then you immediately introduce a curiosity hook. It's a method that only a few top creators are using, and it's gaining them thousands of subscribers every day. But almost no one is talking about it. Bam! Just like that, you've transformed a simple ending into a can't-miss opportunity. You've hit directly at your audience's desires: growth, success, insider knowledge, and you've left them craving more. This isn't about just keeping viewers on your videos, it's about creating a chain reaction that keeps them locked into your content, video after video. And guess what that means? Tons more watch time, faster channel growth, and a more engaged audience. All the things that an algorithm loves. Wink. Now that you've buttered them up and you've hooked them in, it's time for the hat trick: transforming curiosity into action. This is where you convert interested viewers into eager binge watchers. Think about the last time you fell into a YouTube rabbit hole. What made you click that next video? Was it the promise of value? Or was it, potential for a little bit more? It's not enough to pique interest. You need to offer something that genuinely improves your viewers' lives or solves a pressing problem. Your promise should be so compelling, so tailored to your audience's deepest desires, that clicking away feels like missing out on a life-changing opportunity. Let's bring it all together with our running example. First, we built the bridge. Now that you've mastered these 5 game-changing secrets, there's one more strategy that could be a game changer for your channel. Then we added the curiosity hook. It's a method that only a few top creators are using, and it's gaining them thousands of subscribers every day. But no one's talking about it. Now we seal the deal with the promise of transformation. In this video, I'll break down that hidden strategy step by step so you can see massive growth too. Click here to watch it now. We're not just promising another video, we're offering a roadmap to what the viewer really wants. We're addressing their deepest desire, channel success. This isn't just about watching, it's about achieving. So by combining these three elements, the bridge, the curiosity hook, and a promise of transformation, you're creating an irresistible call to action. You're not just ending the video, you're setting yourself up for so many more views. Now that you know exactly how to make your channel more bingeable, there's one more issue you'll have to solve. And that is how to get viewers through the first 30 seconds of your video so you can get more views. But no worries, we got that framework right here. See what I did there?